So good morning friends, I am Samir Ranjan Sahu and welcome to my channel Research Techniques. Here all the whats and hows of research, like how to search for research topic, search journal paper related to research topics, read the papers effectively, prepare manuscripts, presentations, purchasing of experimental equipments, publishing papers, and many more troubling questions will be answered. So the first thing which we normally come across is, or we normally face difficulty is in choosing a research topic. Okay, so the research topic should be an interesting one, and it should not go obsolete in within few years. Okay, like you can say alternative energy sources, alternative fuels, passive cooling, macrofluidics, artificial intelligence, advanced security systems, environmental protection. These are some of the topics which will never go obsolete. Okay, and these are the research areas which is you can say is very interesting, and as well as currently highly in demand also. Okay, so let's see how we can search more into this. Okay, so what we can do is, we can just in general we can search mechanical current trends. Okay, so here you can see we can get some idea of what really is in demand now. Okay, you can search more, like since I am from mechanical background, you can see more into thermal, so we can get some ideas here. Okay, now after this, after selecting a particular keyword, like either you want artificial intelligence, or if you are from mechanical background, you can choose multi-phase flow or passive cooling. Okay, so what we can do, we can just go either to Google Scholar. Okay, now here you can type, suppose I want to conduct research on multi-phase flow. I'll search in Google Scholar and see lots of things are coming. What I want is recent. Okay, so I will use since 2019. Okay, so since 2019, whatever the research has been conducted, we can find it in Google Scholar. Okay, you can just click on any one of them. So this has been published in Elsevier, as you can see. Now you can see the topics: spattering and denudation in laser power bed fusion process, multi-phase flow modeling. So this is not actually a free one. In coming lectures, in coming videos, I will show you how we can get any of these papers for free. Okay, this is one way of searching your research topic. There is another way. Suppose you can directly go to either Science Direct. Okay, here you can see, go to advanced search. Just here, as it is written, find articles with these terms. What I want is multi-phase flow, passive cooling. Okay, and I want it from 2018. Okay, now search. Okay, so here you can see from 2018, whatever the paper has been published in in Elsevier, all are coming here. Some of are free, some of have to be paid. So there is one, this is free. Let's see: investigation of a passive control system for limiting cavitation inside turbo machinery under different operating conditions. Okay, so how can you know, means what I have, what kind of research I can do here? Just what we can do, download this paper, go to the last part of the literature review, where they will be pointing out some of the shortcomings, okay, and see what they have done. Okay, so finding a research topic, it is not that much easy. Okay, so you have to go through a lot of papers, at least in my in my view, at least minimum of 30 to 40 papers you have to go through to finally get to know what is going on in this research field. Okay, you can look in another way also, another way of searching for research topics or papers. You can directly go to any institute's website. Suppose let's go to IIT Kanpur. Okay, now here we can do, what we can do is just departments. Okay, whatever department you belong, since I belong to mechanical, I will directly go to the mechanical department. The basic thing is you have to read some papers to know what exactly is going on. Okay, what are the shortcomings in the current research that is going on, and what more can be done. While reading only, you can get a lot of ideas. Okay, so let's see, here we are now. Let's go to the faculties. Now the first one, we will take the first one only. It is Professor Avinash Kumar Agarwal. See, here you can see his research interest, IC engine alternate fuels. I told you alternate fuels is now very much in demand. Okay, as you all know, petrol, diesel, in one way or another, the price is rising, and even the engine efficiency is also you cannot say decreasing, but yeah, at some point the price will be so much high that a normal common man cannot purchase it. So alternate fuels is very much in demand. So let's see, let's go to his profile and we will see what research he has done. Now see, selected publications. So see, here he has given a list of his some of the papers. Just copy it. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, now let's see whether it is free or not. Okay, it is not free, no problem. In the later videos we will see how we can get this, but even in abstract you can just get somewhat idea what what is being done now in alternative fuels. Here he has used alcohols and biodiesels in IC engines. Okay, similarly you can go to any other faculty. Let's select a different department. Let's go to chemical. Okay, even now you can see there is another very interesting topic, thin film flows. Okay, this is also a very interesting topic. Thin film flows you can normally find in general bearings. Okay, okay, now let's go to chemical. Here we are, and where are, yes, faculties. Okay, let's select the first one. It's Assistant Professor Vishal Agarwal. Okay, see, again biofuels. I told you biofuels is somewhat both mechanical, chemical people work on. Even multi-phase flow, both of them work on. See, gas surface and liquid surface interactions. Okay, so here we can see his recent publications. Okay, 2016. Just select any one. Okay, and try to select the latest one. Okay, Now it is this year is 2020, so 2019, 2020, in this range, if you select any papers, you will somewhat get the idea of what can be done. Okay, this is another way. Okay, similarly there are lots of papers. The thing is, you have to know your interest area, what area you are interested in. Okay, you can directly go to any of the good general papers like Science Direct. You can directly go to Science Direct and search that keyword. Like what I searched was alternative fuels. Okay, 2019. Another one, I can go to Springer. There is Taylor and Francis. Okay, see, already something is coming. Advanced in feedstock conversion technologies for alternative fuels, bioproducts. This one is free, and the rest of them are, I think, paid. No, some of more them are free. No need to worry about that. We will be looking into that also. Again, I can type here alternative fuels. Okay, journals, 80 journals. Okay, so here we can see anyone we can select. Okay, yeah, see, this is not free. Okay, no need to worry. As I mentioned earlier, we will be looking into how we can get everything for free. Alternative fuels. Okay, let's see what Taylor references gives us. Oh, we have another one, Wiley Publications also. See, download PDFs. Okay, published in. See, here you can internal references. There are also lots of journals where you can select anyone, or you can use search from here, from title, author, keywords. Okay, you can search as many as you want. Let's see anyone, whether it is free or not. We can search in Wiley also, what it is giving. Okay, so normally the journal papers are not free. No need to worry, we will get into that. Alternative fuels. See, here they are giving the options, so we will search the latest one, 2019 to 2020. Even if it is not free, with just the abstract also we can somewhat get idea, because in the abstract also they are the one who has conducted the research. Okay, he will be giving some details of what has been done. Okay, even with abstract also, if you read 30-40 abstracts, okay, one thing is you can get some little bit of idea. Okay, there is no shortcut to research, that is for sure. We have to work something out. We have to go through a lot of papers actually. So the more you read, actually the better it is for you also, because not only for your current research, for your future research also you can get lots of ideas. Okay, so in this particular video, this is all I can say now, that this is how you can search for research topics. Okay, even you can see how you can get specifically into that research topic. Okay, so thank you for being with me, and in the next coming videos we will see more whats and hows of research. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.